I'm Mica Talmor, chef and owner of Pomella restaurant in Oakland. Today we're going to show you how to prepare shawarma spiced grilled American lamb. The key to this dish is the marinade. The marinade is created with warm, robust flavors and a little bit of acidity. This combination both tenderizes and balances the big flavor of American lamb. Here at Pomella, we use different cuts of lamb, more economical cuts like lamb shank, a lamb neck. For this dish, we use a premium cut such as loin or sirloin. Those cuts grill fast on high heat and produce a really tender, juicy dish. We have this lamb loin. We took the silver skin off. Now we're gonna cut it into 2-inch by 1/2-inch strips and set aside while we make the marinade. To make the marinade, we're gonna start with a spice blend. We're going to use ras al hanout, ground turmeric, paprika, ground cinnamon, ground allspice, ground cumin, and a pinch of sugar. Mix all the spices together and set aside. Next, let's make the marinade. We're gonna use the blender for this marinade. Diced yellow onion, garlic cloves, canola oil, 1/4 cup of the spice mix we just made, red wine vinegar, and salt. Blend everything together to a smooth paste. Coat the lamb pieces with the marinade and let it sit for a few hours or overnight. The longer, the better. When you're ready to cook the meat, preheat your grill or your plancha, very high heat. Place the meat on the plancha or the grill, sprinkle it with salt, and then flip the meat after a couple of minutes. Continue cooking for about 3-4 minutes, depending on the exact sizes of the meat pieces. The meat should be a little charred on the outside and super tender. Serve the grilled lamb with hummus, shirazi, sumac onions, tahini, and amba, all inside of a fresh pita or wrapped up in a laffa. And there you have it, shawarma spiced grilled American lamb. This combination of savory, smoky, spicy, and tangy makes an epic sandwich. We love our lamb wraps here at Pomella. They are juicy, fresh, tender, and full of flavor.